Hi, I just needed to clear up an error that I made with the way that the actual numbers are formed on the clock face. Now, I wasn't far off because obviously you've got your 45 degrees and there is 8 of them. But obviously that only gets you the corner of the square if it's around it, but it's a circle that we're dealing with. So the angle for the actual numbers needs to be 12 into 360. That obviously equals 30 degrees between each number. So even though I said that it would be 9 and 11, 11 would be then 22.5 degrees in between the exact 45. It's not quite correct because there isn't obviously another square going around it to join them together, kind of thing. So even though at some point between that hour and it would possibly reach 67.5 degrees, the way that the arms of the clock do move both together, if it was pointed directly at it, 9 and the 11, you'd class that as 60 degrees if it's 30 degrees between each of the two numbers, 30 degrees. And it's because, yeah, you've got the 45 degrees that goes to the corner if you've got that square around the circle. But then to even it out for 30 degrees times 12 numbers, you need to take 15 degrees from either side of that 45. So then 5 would be there, 15 degrees from that side, 15 degrees up from that way would be where the 4 goes. Same that kind of way. I hope that kind of makes sense. So 60 degrees then, but at some point as it's moving around it probably does get to that, you know, because that isn't a pattern for no reason, I'm sure of it. Because it kind of occurred from the showing of the segments. 60 degrees, 0, I've always said about that being a hidden 3/6 for 360 again, so a 9, 69. 60 degrees is 69 in Jewish reduced gematria. 60 degrees is also 60 in septenary gematria. And it's also 960 in Sumerian gematria, 60 degrees, 9669. But yeah, that's just clearing up how it calculated where the numbers actually go. It takes 15 degrees from each corner. So then you've got your even 30 degrees for each one all the way around. Cheers.